Hey everybody, I came down here and there's so many butterflies that I couldn't not show you guys this. So it's been raining the past few days. I don't know how well the camera's really picking this up, but there's at least 4 or 5 different species of butterflies. As I'm walking along, there's those blue ones, there's swallowtails, there's California sisters. They like the little damp places after it's been raining. They like to drink out of the little moist soil. There's just so many different species enjoying the water here. So yeah, I'm back doing another one of these videos, and it's about 2/3 of the way through May, and so the flowers are different than the last time I did one of these, and I thought I would show you the difference and what's up now. A lot of the early stuff is gone, and new things have come up for the summer, and I'll show you some of those. A bumblebee on some clover, working away, busy. Right next to that is some milkweed that isn't quite open yet, so it's not full of butterflies, but it will be very soon. It's pretty tall. Here's for scale my hand, as per usual. It's very soft, and the stems are full of fibers. Once they dry out in the fall, you can take and break the stems and get the fibers to make string and rope that the native people would do. Nice little group of these wildflowers. They're in the same family as the purple brodeas. These yellow ones that come out every year. Here's the size. There's my hand size of those guys. Cool. Here's an unusual wildflower called a snake lily. I think it's also in the Brodea family, this pink one right here. But it's called that because the stems are quite long and snaky, and they use these stems to kind of get up above the bushes and up into low trees and shrubs to reach, I guess, get the attention of the pollinators more. But they're an unusual wildflower that you don't see much of. And the wild roses are out. Remember, I was telling you about this in a previous video. These nice, flat, native California rose. Yay, there goes the UPS guy back up my driveway with some camera equipment. Yay! In the meantime, here's a large group of this mugwort plant that I've talked about before with a ladybug. Ooh, can I get the ladybug on camera? Ladybug. I can. And as for what the UPS guy brought, it's a GoPro Hero 7 that I've gone back out after that previous shoot. And so I'm going to be intercutting footage from the GoPro, which you are seeing right now. Here's that milkweed. Yay, milkweed. I'm going to be intercutting the GoPro footage with the previous stuff that I got on my phone, because my phone is just not doing this justice, as you can see. Here's some delphiniums. They're hard to get there because they're hard to see because they're dark and they like the shade, so they just kind of disappear in photographs. But this is a wild delphinium or larkspur that grows native here. Here in the shade of a bit of Jordan Creek it's always nice to see these every year, so wild azaleas. You can see the azaleas and they like the wet areas next to the creek here. Here's another member of the Burdea family. The common name of this is blue dix, and you get a nice edible root out of these guys, but please don't dig them up. It is actually illegal to pick or disturb native wildflowers. And here's Jordan oak. Unfortunately, it has not survived in the past few years and has finally died after about, it's estimated, almost 400 years of life. It just, through drought and you know, pests and everything else, this huge example. This, you know, these things happen. It probably literally just died of old age. It is absolutely huge. I wish I could show you the scale. There's really no possible way to show you how big this tree is. It's you know, it would take 6 people to reach around the trunk easily, if not more. It has a history. There was actually 100 and some odd years ago, there was a wildfire here, and people formed a bucket brigade to try and save the oak, and it worked, actually. That's how much they loved the oak. The Forest Service used to come and do interpretive lectures here at the oak, but again, sadly, Jordan oak is no more as of about 5 years ago. Well, hey, here's a different species of milkweed that is in bloom. Yay, cool. Wish you could hear all the bees. It's impossible to get on my phone, I'm sure. But the whole woods are alive with bees right now. Here's some new growth on a live oak. I just thought it was an interesting contrast between the mature leaves, which are dull like this, and the new leaves, which are shiny, almost like they're made out of candy or something, chocolate. While I'm out here, I want to show you a not native plant. This is a narrow-leafed plantain. They're not native. They're all over the place, and they're actually invasive. However, they are a medicinal plant that can be good for wounds and using in if you make salves and things like that. I think this is wild onions, but I'm not sure. I'm going to ID it when I get back. For size, once again. He's a cute little guy, about a foot tall. This ground cover with the pink flowers is all over around here and will bloom all summer long. And I just thought this was a pretty little scene with a bit of an oak branch and then a little baby black oak growing up next to it. A few last remaining valley lupins for the year. These are about done. As the early ones fade, new ones come in. So there you go, another little look at my little corner of the world here. And I hope you liked it, as per usual. Like, subscribe, all that usual stuff that people on YouTube are saying these days, and that you're supposed to say on YouTube and all that. Hope to see you again next time. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to over-explain about next time.